Video. Hi out there. It's the 10th of November 2024. Today is Sunday. It's the day of the Viola car show up at the Keller Town Hall, and unfortunately we abandoned going up there because Lou had some bad food and last night, and he's got the results of that. Randy is on another version of his chemo medicine to treat his kidneys, which probably went bad when he was a Marine stationed at Camp Lejeune and drank all that crappy water. Anyway, that is that. Lou has been working away. And what do you got, Lou?
Well, got this piece here.
Oh, that looks nice.
Kind of half-ass finished, you know. That'll have to do.
Yeah.
And
well, this area probably will end up being carpeted, right?
yeah.
So you won't see that.
Yeah, you don't see all that.
Yeah, that come out pretty good.
Yeah.
Looks good. And then
now is the deal of putting a power window unit in.
Yeah.
So my plan of attack here is this guy will go in there, and this guy here will bolt onto that piece there, and then this piece here will bolt onto this guy.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Yeah, that'll work something like that.
I was just thinking, well, of course, you're probably not going to be out in the rain anyway, but
Oh, I ain't gonna worry about that shit.
that'll sit down in there somehow.
Yeah, that's got to sit where it's got to sit. Yeah, that's the way it's got to be. There ain't no other way it's gonna sit something like that.
Yeah, because it feeds that way.
Yeah,
That rubber tube is
that's
where the screw mechanism
it feeds up inside.
feeds up into that.
Mm-hmm.
And that's a shallow angle. That should work out okay.
Oh yeah, that's.
Yeah. The other day you said that you had bought the U-channel felt stuff, right?
Yeah.
How about this stuff for the flat? Have you got any of that yet? Do you know where to get that?
What's that?
Well, this stuff has a felt backing that the window rests against.
The felt goes in all the way around.
This felt?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
That'll work, I guess. All right, so these must be the attachment points. I guess you put a small screw into the felt.
And glue it in there.
Yeah, I guess you can glue it. Well, I ended up publishing the somewhat short Part 37, Segment 1, because on the off chance that somebody wanted to know about the Viola car show, would make sense if I published it afterwards. But we've got more than one viewer comments thinking that the way to do the glass with the adhesive is pretty good. Looks like a good idea.
Yeah.
So we're probably going to do that.
Yeah, that might definitely.
Yeah. So this is
Save a lot. I made a new template. Here's a.
yeah. So this is Part 38, Segment 1. And I mentioned to Lou the other day that I showed this where
Here's a.
this neck's down, not much lip here. Probably have to add some fiberglass across here to make sure there's enough. It's a little shallow here too.
Around the other way. Yeah, this is a kind of little half-assed template that I made, but that's
Oh, you did oversize?
yeah, this is oversized.
All right, so pick that up a little bit. Come on.
Have to fit in something. could actually square these ends off here.
Yeah.
It's not the same way, it has to be round.
Yeah, it looks like it's a little off the curve at the bottom. I don't know. Is that something that that guy would make?
Well, he would.
I mean, he's a
He's
glass.
a glass guy. He knows. Just give him. Actually, probably would be better off not putting a curve in there. Make a square.
Well, maybe a little radius, right?
Yeah, no, well, just a skoshi.
Quarter of an inch or something. We'll bring that down into here, cover this area.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a half-ass template.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that'll be a lot easier than trying to doctor all this here up.
Oh yeah, that's for sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So this is the rest of the pieces, I assume, huh?
What's that?
That's the rest of the
Oh,
door.
yeah, that's the
That's for the glass.
glass goes in. Yeah, so that's
Oh.
yeah, probably end up using that piece there.
Oh. Okay, so I mentioned the Viola car show, which is ongoing at the moment, where Lou doesn't feel good this morning, and Randy is on his third treatment of chemo for his kidney problem, which we're pretty sure came from being stationed at Camp Lejeune for a year and a half and drinking that crappy water that screwed everybody up, which is interesting because my wife's two brothers were both Marines, and they both ended up with cancer too, and they both were stationed at Camp Lejeune, so there's probably more to it than that we want. And Randy's a good guy. He never complains. He's kind of polite all the time, but he was Marine Recon too, and he was on duty at the embassy in Beirut, Lebanon when the terrorists blew it up. He got injured in that, fortunately survived. And then he went to Panama Canal with Noriega, and he ended up he got shot up. Yeah, he's got bullet holes, and of course he had to go in and to the hospital. And after 6 or 7 months of rehab and stuff, they basically didn't think he was fit for active duty anymore, so they took him out. So he's had 3 Marine-related instances, right? The explosion in Beirut, Lebanon, the wounded at Panama Canal, and now this cancer crap with his kidneys. Anyway, that's that.
Yeah, it's lost cause, man.
Oh, well, I think that's about enough for segment 1. You got anything else you want to add?
Well, no, that's it. Just kind of get this, get that one piece mounted in there, and then wait till I get the glass, and then go from there. See what how it's all going to work.
Oh, good. Good.
Then we'll get started on this side.
Slow but sure. We're getting there. Oh.
Yeah, it's kind of. Actually, it turned out pretty decent,
Yeah. On my 32 Coupe side, I'm about to embark on a major change in an attempt to replace the reversed turn sideways 48 Ford steering box with a 60 to 66 Corvair new unit, and getting everything ready. I want to maintain the same angle of the steering column that it is now and location inside the car, and in order to do that, the column drop inside the car has to be 2.5 inches from the bottom of the 32 dash to the centerline shaft of the steering box. And nobody makes them anymore for 1 3/4, which is the new column as opposed to the old Ford 1 1/2. So have to fabricate it, and what I'm doing is gonna duplicate basically what Lou did here with his, where he's got a split collar and he's got a bracket ties to the bottom of his dash. Okay, I'll be doing a video on that later, I think. Although, I don't know, people don't seem that interested in the 32, but we'll see. Anyway, take care out there. Appreciate your viewing and your comments. Bye-bye.